Namaskar guys. So this is
Okay, ladies
again
and
another
gentlemen, we have
moment.
another nationality.
I never
All the way
thought
from
that we are
Uzbekistan,
going
we
to
have
be
Angela.
participating in the world
Please come
record,
to
the
the
Guinness
stage.
Book World Record ceremony at any point of time. And today here we are. I can see 125 to 130 nationalities coming together for yoga, and you're gonna witness this moment with me from the ground in Jebel Ali, Dubai. Keep watching this video. In a few minutes, we are gonna break the world record where the last time I think 120 nationalities came together. Today it's 130 plus nationalities in Dubai. Okay guys, keep watching me. This is gonna be a great moment for everyone, that it has never been done that 130 nationals at a single place. So keep watching this beautiful video. So this is a moment for a great nation, for the great health. We are witnessing 125 plus nationals coming together doing the yoga. A lesson for everyone, a lesson for the world, that how important yoga is. Amazing guys.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Great
as
moment
you
for
can see,
non-Asians
we have
coming
so much
to witness the
free
moment, to
space
witness
on
the
the
world record
grass.
breaking event.
And we encourage
Here
you
we
all
are.
to come
What
to
you
the
see in the
grass,
background,
prepare your
the
mat,
knowledge,
and
the
get ready
Guinness
for
Book
the
World
yoga
Record
session
team
that
is
will
here
commence
to
soon.
witness that, to count that how many nationalities are here. So great. Keep watching the movement as we move. Thank you.
Great.
Colombia,
Okay. Christina Kessner from Croatia.
Eli Shibi from Congo, Eli Shibiga,
Andreas Mikhail from Cyprus. Wonderful.
Petra Godard from Czech Republic. Amazing.
Mina Sayahyan from Denmark. There she is at the back.
Zahra Shahsavar from
Counting is going on. We are calling the name of all the nationalities.
Hala Ali from Egypt.
Egypt. So Al Ali from the Egypt is participating. Let's see who is the next in this race. It's gonna be a great moment.
Next, we have
We're gonna call the next
Petit
name from the
Delrocchio.
different nationalities.
from Ecuador.
We got a name from
Where's
Ecuador.
Ecuador?
So many. So guys, this is a
There
long
she is
list.
at the back. I see
People
her.
are enjoying
With
the
the
moment.
sunglasses.
People are excited to be part of
Darina
the Guinness Book
Sigorska
of
from Estonia.
World Record series, where 100 plus nationalities coming together
Arman
into the yoga. For me
Bushaishi
also, this was a
from
great
Finland.
moment, and luckily that I was here. I was.
Hugh Devou from France.
I got some time to witness this
There
moment.
he
So
is.
my back, all the people from the different nationalities
Kahatia
coming together.
Siklori from Georgia. Welcome.
Where's Sanaa from the Mauritius? Where's Mauritius? Sanaa. There she is. I see her.
Claudia Cross from Mexico.
Claudia, there she is. There she is. Dunia Soskic from Montenegro.
Rufus Cardoso from Portugal. Irina Benchechi from Moldova. Semi Sucks from Romania. Siatkina.
Right. Noor. Okay, Noor, I have the count now, guys. We have here 104 nationalities. We need 10 more nationalities to beat the record. So I have the list here of a nationality missing. So if any one of you in the attendance have this nationality. We love you so much already. You are our best friends. So please, I'm gonna call the nationality, and if you happen to be from niche nationality, please, can you manifest yourself at this door? At this door. So Fitzi will be able to register you. Okay? So as
Count has come. We have around 100
Angola.
nationalities this moment.
Okay,
Around
let
me,
me give you
the
the
count
list.
has to
If
be
you hear your
115, I guess.
country in this list, and if you have your passport with you,
104
please register
nationalities
now,
official
so we can
here,
make this
and the
moment
participants, the
historical.
organizers
Okay,
are
I'm going
looking
to
for
repeat
10
twice
more
every time.
nationalities this
Okay,
moment.
Andorra, and if are you from Angola?
So we are calling people
No, okay,
from Angola this
if
moment.
you guys are here and your country have been called, just double check with Fizzy, okay?
Great, so keep
Okay, we
watching.
go.
We're gonna
Andorra.
see progress on this, how we go.
Angola.
If we have
Antigua and Barbuda.
10 more nationalities together, then this
Australia.
is gonna be the record hold for the people
Okay.
in UAE who has
15,
done the around 115
105.
nationalities
Australia
coming
is
together
here.
doing the yoga.
Ben, where are you, Ben? I need to see you. El Salvador. Anyone from El Salvador? No? No? Okay. Equatorial Guinea. Guinea Equatorial. Equator. Guinea, no? Eritrea. Anyone from Eritrea? Please. No? Oh, okay, maybe. If you hear your name, please. If you hear your country name, please come to the door. So, Eritrea. Eswatini. Eswatini. Okay, I guess there's a mistake in the list. It's okay. If you're from this country anyway, please come. Eswatini, sorry. Sorry, Eswatini. Ethiopia. Anyone from Ethiopia? Don't tell me we don't have Ethiopian here, please, guys. Anyone from Ethiopia, please? Yes, yes, Ethiopian. Okay, and from Chile, we have Chile, guys. Chile, yes, I love Chile. Good. Oh yeah. Hey guys, I think, I mean, if this is, the count is right, we're gonna have the final count by the judge. If it's right, we like 5 or 6 max, and we still have quite long lists. Okay, let's stay focused. Ethiopia, no. Faroe Island, it's very far. French Guinea, anyone from French Guinea? Gabon, anyone from Gabon or Gabon with the English accent? Gambia, anyone from Gambia? Anyone from Gambia, I'm sure. Anyone from Gibraltar? Anyone from Gibraltar? The island. Okay. Ethiopian, please, if you're Ethiopian, come to the door, please. The main door. Guys, let's do this. Okay, anyone from Gibraltar Island? Everyone from Grenada? Grenada. Are you raising your hand? Come here if you're from Grenada, please. Okay, Maria. Guatemala. Oman is missing. How come? They are neighbors. Anyone from Panama? Any Panamanian in the house tonight? Panamanian.
We are around 107 right now.
Macedonia.
8 more people. They are calling the name of different nations and trying to.
Did I say Macedonia? No, I
can
didn't
come
say.
down here.
I think you're
This
good.
is.
You're good.
We still need around 8 people to break the record here. And
Which one?
officially
Which country?
For the people who are doing the yoga from the different nations.
Oman. Oman. Where is Oman?
People from Oman is the.
Raise your hand,
record.
Oman.
There's no one from
Yes.
Oman.
Did you register? Guys.
We got 1 more people from Oman right now.
Okay. Registration. Do you have Oman?
Oman.
Yes. Can you double check? If your country has been called previously and you're already there, please come just double check here. Oman, can you please come double check here?
I think we have.
Okay, no, they told me you there. You're there. Okay, I guess it's update on this. Very good. Sorry, guys. Panama, Paraguay, Qatar are the.
Announcement from the anchor.
Passports, okay, that's the guideline before we start. So hopefully with the positivity of everyone and the energy of anyone, in like 5 to 10 minutes we're gonna have the missing passport, and then Raf, you'll count all, you check everyone, all nationality, And if we go over 115, then we start the flow. Guys! Perfect. Okay, guys, you can put the music back. Let's make it. Forward as far as you can. Good. Inhale, open your left shoulder a little more. Exhale, lean further and further and further. Ooh, see where you can go. Stay there. If you start hurting under your right leg, it's perfectly normal. It's the lactic acid. Probably tight hamstrings. It's fine. That's why we're doing that. Your tight hamstring may punish the mobility of your spine. The spine is very important, so we need to respect it. We do a few more. Now, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Let go all the tension. Let go all the stress inside your muscle. Don't give up, please. Stay there. No, it hurts. It's all good. You are safe. Do you remember when you go to bed after a long day? Yeah, you are exhausted. You're laying down. What do? Yeah, right? Everyone does. I don't know anyone who's very tired laying down and does. No.
Cool. So this is the last video from this attempt to make the Guinness Book of World Record for the people from the most nationalities at a single place. But unfortunately, this event did not go the way it was expected. We could manage only 110 nationalities, and it was expected to have 115 nationalities at one place. So quite disappointed that I couldn't witness the moment that how the Guinness Book of World Records is being announced. But that's fine. This is how life works on. Great salute to the organizer who has done very hard work. And right now, this is what you see behind me. The people are still gathering. People are still there who are still doing the yoga. They just couldn't get the certificate. They just couldn't, I would say, make it, but they are committed to become healthy, and they are going to try again to break the record again. Great guide. Thanks for watching me for this video from Knowledge, Travel, Fun and Feedback. I would appreciate if you like this video, if you subscribe, and if you're gonna make some words for me for sharing, doing the hard work to share the experience and all the whatever, wherever you go, I share with you. Thanks.